We settled in very quickly once we moved to the Isle of Man. Everybody's just been so helpful and so friendly. We chose to relocate just to find a better place for my daughter to grow up, a place that's a lot safer. I'm a water engineer at Manx Utilities on the water side, and my role involves leakage detection, basically overseeing the whole island's network of piping. There's so many challenges. Every day you've got a new thing to solve. It's kind of what makes it so exciting as well. Been on so many different training courses. It's just been a continuous path of development. Outside of work, I'm quite an avid four-wheel driver, so I spend a lot of times nipping up and down the little green lanes all over the island. And probably my favorite hobby, I would say, is bodyboarding. There's so much to do. Everything is so accessible. And on Sundays, as a family, we would always go to Grenabee Equestrian Centre, where my daughter does horse riding. She absolutely loves it. She's fallen in love with a horse or blue, and it's pretty much her life. I would recommend the Isle of Man to anybody looking at relocating somewhere. It's just got everything that you're looking for, especially if you're an outdoors kind of person. It's absolutely brilliant. I would highly recommend for anyone to start a position at Manx Utilities, especially in engineering. The company really takes pride in developing their employees. It's also a very flexible work environment. Summing up the island in 3 words, I would say adventurous, fun, and safe.